Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of for Your Life, Beauty for Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl April 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And if you see me the same clothes, the same makeup from my last videos, because I'm doing it in the same day. So if you're new to Toyl, lovelies, this is a monthly premium subscription box. It's a premium one. It costs £39.99 including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive worth more than £100 more and more beauty products inside. And if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get £5 off in your box. So yes, let's open this one. Really love the box design box of this month. So when you open it, you have the leaflet. Oh, nice leaflet this month too. And it says, welcome to your Toyl box, the ultimate color correct box. But what's this? We have a thread inside. So excited for that one. And then we have all the products with all the info, with the prices and everything. And then you have also this cute pink tissue paper. It's really cute pink one. And then, ooh, oh, so cute. So on the leaflet it says, April box, the ultimate color correct box. Why? Because when I went to see the dermatologist about my lines and wrinkles, she was actually more interested in evening out my skin tone, because that is, in her opinion, just as aging as fine lines. We can pack her Wheezy machine into this box, but we can use products to get great results. So I've blown the budget, and our friends at Stila have given us the access to, in my opinion, one of the best skin tone color correcting products for all skin tones. It says luxury British beauty brand Oscar, created by the incredible George Cleave ceramide based serum that we need in our lives. Ceramides have retained moisture to even out fine lines, calm skin, ready for color correction and black pollution damage, which will be on the rise as we start spending more time outdoors. Couple this with 2 further products and 2 treats from me, and I hope you love your April and Easter box. I'll see you on the lives. Timing are below, and have a wonderful Easter weekend. Karen, which is the founder of Toyl. And also, lovelies, Toyl, they target more women over 40 years old, but as I said in my every video, that in my opinion it's for all age, because the products that I receive, I always use them. All the info on the link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's start. See the products here. So the first one I have here, so cute. So we have a chocolate, a treat one, and this flint, and it's this tiny chocolate, very cute one. I really love this chocolate. It's one of my favorite chocolates. I can't wait to eat that one. So the first product we have here, and this is from Stila, and this is the product that I was really excited to try, because when I saw it on the lineup, I did my lineup spoiler of this box. I always do my lineup on the 18th or 19th of the month, because that's the date that you can decide if you want to continue with subscription box or you want to post it. So yes, so if you follow me, I always do my lineup. So yes, when I saw this one on my lineup, I was really excited to try. And this is the One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. Here we go, and let's open it. It does look like this, a very weird one, but I'm really curious to try. It has that violet green and like peachy color. I'm so excited this one. So this product, it costs £28, And it says, have you ever tried anything like this before? No. Well, be careful, as it is about to become a beauty staple for you. This innovative triple swirled helix serum instantly primes, color correct, brightens, and nourishes your skin for a flawless face with no fuss. This revolutionary product contains 3 color correcting pigments to even out complexion. Green tone instantly neutralize redness and conceal blemishes. Lavender tone counteracts sallow undertones for a vibrant, energized look. Peach tone brightens, illuminates, and helps diminish the appearance of sunspots. Ooh, so excited for this. I have few sunspots in here. I don't know if you can even see it on the video, but yes, can't wait to try this. And then the next one we have, and I tried this one before and it's really good. This is the from Indeed, the no acid pads, a gentle alternative to acid, and it has 30 pads inside. Here we go. So this one, it's retail for £19.99. It says these pads are packed with active probiotics and natural extract from a yarrow and Japanese cedar buds to gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and strengthen the skin barrier. Function for a more radiant and even complexion. These are the perfect foundation for your serum, as it will be applied to exfoliated skin with cells ready to receive rather than onto dead skin. I'm making this sound terribly glamorous. Formulated for all skin types including sensitive and acne prone. No acid pads work gently yet effectively to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tones. I usually use this one at night before my serum, because I think it does help my serum to sink on my skin during the night. And yes, I really do like this product. And then the next one we have here from Oskia, one of my favorite brand too, and this is the Isotonic Hydra Serum, Intense Biomimetic Hydration. I love that word, hydration. And this one has 30 ml. All these products, lovelies, are full size. It's in glass, so very fancy one. And this one, wow, this product, it's retail for £64. We know that this is a very expensive one. And it says this serum comes, and if we are color correcting with this box, we can calm skin. Oskia is a British luxury brand, and this serum is one of their award-winning bestsellers, suitable for all skin types. The oat-based ceramides support the lipid barrier, creating a great base for Stila. A technology take on skin hydration, this lightweight hydrating serum infuses instantly and long-term moisture to quench thirsty skin, clinically proven to increase and regulate skin hydration by up to 34% after 1 hour and 30% 4 weeks. Calming and comforting, it also replenishes vital nutrients and support the skin mantle and barrier function. And then the next product we have here, another product from Oskia, and this is the Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsule. It has 7, so this is for a week to try. And every capsule, it has 0.28 ml. It has like a heart shape. I'll show you, lovelies. It has like heart shape. This is perfect when you travel, lovelies. Don't know if you can even see it. It has that heart shape. You just need to pull this part and then the serum will come out. So yes, this is perfect when you travel. If you don't wanna like bring big bottle with you, this is a perfect size. And this one, it's retail for £11. We know that Oskia is quite expensive brand. And this one is a Super C capsule. Remember, this go on the skin. Do not eat. Are a brilliant way of getting the freshest vitamin C onto your skin. Vitamin C oxidize, start to break down when in contact with air, so this capsule keep each dose super fresh. These are topical antioxidant to fight free radicals that damage skin, and the effect you will see is brightening glow, all the good stuff we want on our skin as we even out that tone. Super C Beauty Capsule contain a supercharged blend of smart nutrients and actives to boost skin health, protect, hydrate, and nourish your for youthful, radiant skin with 2% super vitamin C, smart vitamin E, squalene, and tomato lycopene. So yes, can't wait to try this. And then another freebie we have here, lovelies. This is from pure seaweed, Weed and Wonder from organic Scottish seaweed. Feel wonderful in 30 days. So it's like a month, full size, 1 month to try. And it says, Dr. Seaweed's Weed and Wonderful supplement are an extremely easy and natural way to feel wonderful with seaweed by supporting women's health, thyroid health, energy, beauty and skin, cognitive function. Oh, we'll try this one. So yes, you have 30 days of trial in here, which is good, which is I prefer, because some of the freebie one we have only for a week, but this one you have a month. So yes, so that's all for my unboxing, lovelies. So you will get a freebie of this one, which is a vitamin 1, and this is the Weed and Wonderful, and then you will get also a small bunny, so cute, from Lind, and then you will get from Stila, the ones that correct. I'm really excited to try. Another excited to try is this, the Oskia Isotonic Hydro Serum, and still with Oskia one, the Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsule one, and then this one that I really enjoy using, the Indeed No Acid Pads. Here we go. So yes, that's all for my unboxing, lovelies. Overall, this month box is a great box in my opinion. And overall, lovelies, the products that I received this month, I'm really looking forward to try. I'm so excited to try. So it's a real thumbs up for me. I will definitely use every single product in this box. So yes, I'm so looking forward to try. And for next month, lovelies, it says what's coming up in May. Hair, the very best of hair products of all hair types in the UK. Massive box, complete sell out in 2021. Do not miss. So looking forward to see that one. That's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Did you receive it? What product that are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.